Welcome to this complete Alcatraz Island travel guide. Nestled in the heart of San Francisco Bay, Alcatraz Island is a place steeped in history, mystery, and intrigue. Once a forbidding maximum security prison, today it's an iconic tourist destination, offering a unique glimpse into our past. In this guide, we'll explore the top 10 things to do on the island, from the haunting cell house to the stunning gardens and everything in between. So buckle up and prepare for an unforgettable journey through Alcatraz Island. Starting off our journey, the first stop is the infamous Alcatraz cell house. This imposing structure served as a maximum security prison from the early 1930s to the mid-1960s. Its thick, cold walls were home to some of the most notorious criminals in American history, including Al Capone and Robert Stroud, the Birdman of Alcatraz. Imagine walking through its long, narrow corridors, each lined with rows of cells, barely large enough to accommodate a single person. The air is heavy with a sense of history and the echoes of past lives. The cell house has stories etched into every stone, tales of daring escapes and heartbreaking tales of confinement. You'll experience a strange mix of eeriness and fascination as you navigate through this relic of a bygone era. It's a tangible reminder of the harsh realities that inmates faced, making it a powerful, thought-provoking part of your visit. A chilling reminder of the past, the cell house is a must-visit for any Alcatraz tourist. When the sun goes down, the Alcatraz night tour begins. As twilight blankets the island, Alcatraz takes on an entirely different persona. The shadows cast by the cell house and guard towers, once ominous in the day, now seem eerily inviting. This isn't just an ordinary tour. The night tour offers an immersive experience that goes beyond the typical cell house visit. It takes you through the corridors of history, each turn revealing a tale more intriguing than the last. You'll traverse the very grounds where infamous inmates once roamed, and as the evening chill sets in, you can't help but feel a shiver of excitement, perhaps a hint of unease. The island's past, filled with stories of daring escapes and ruthless captives, seems to come alive under the cloak of darkness. As the moon casts its glow over the island, the night tour draws to a close. The night tour offers a unique perspective of Alcatraz, revealing a different, more eerie side of the island. Moving on to a more serene part of Alcatraz, let's explore the gardens. These vibrant havens of green are a stark contrast to the stark grey walls and bars you might associate with Alcatraz. They're a testament to the island's ability to foster life amidst its notorious history. Each garden on the island has its own unique story. Some were tended by families of the prison staff, others by the prisoners themselves. Over the years, they've flourished into a diverse array of plants and flowers, offering a surprising burst of colour and life in an otherwise grim setting. Among the blooms you'll find roses, geraniums and agaves, to name a few. They've thrived against all odds, just like the island's former inhabitants. It's a captivating tale of resilience, of life persisting in the most unlikely of places. With their vibrant flowers and lush greenery, the gardens of Alcatraz offer a beautiful contrast to the island's harsh history. No trip to Alcatraz is complete without a view of the iconic Golden Gate Bridge. From this vantage point, the bridge's grandeur takes a new dimension, its rusted crimson towers piercing through the San Francisco fog. It's a sight that commands attention, a spectacle that's hard to look away from. So whether you're a professional photographer or just someone who appreciates a good vista, this view is a gift that keeps on giving. So make sure to bring your camera for this picture-perfect moment. Now let's engage our senses with the Doing Time the Alcatraz Cell House Tour audio tour. This audio tour is a captivating journey narrated by former inmates and guards that takes you through the day-to-day life of Alcatraz. From the chilly morning roll calls to the isolation of solitary confinement, you'll have a front-row seat to the raw realities of prison life within these walls. As you walk through the cell house, you'll hear the echoes of past prisoners and their riveting tales of escape attempts, clashes with guards, and the camaraderie they found in the unlikeliest of places. The audio tour also takes you into the deep crevices of the prison, revealing the lesser-known corners and their stories. Don't be surprised if you find yourself holding your breath as you listen to the chilling accounts of life on the rock. It's a stark reminder of the human spirit's resilience in the face of adversity. The Doing Time tour is an immersive experience that brings the stories of Alcatraz to life. Next on our list, the Alcatraz Island Lighthouse, a beacon in the bay. First lit in 1854, it's the oldest lighthouse on the west coast. Surviving earthquakes and the test of time, this structure has guided countless vessels through the perilous waters of the bay. Its light, a symbol of hope and guidance, shines as a testament to the island's enduring history. From a defensive fortress to a notorious prison and now a tourist attraction, the lighthouse is yet another symbol of Alcatraz's rich and varied history. Let's delve into the remnants of the Native American occupation. In the late 60s and early 70s, Alcatraz Island became a beacon for Native American activism. For 19 months, a group of Native Americans from various tribes occupied the island, making a stand for their rights and sovereignty. This occupation was a pivotal moment in the Native American civil rights movement, sparking a resurgence of pride and cultural identity among indigenous people across the United States. The island still bears the marks of this occupation. Graffiti left by the protesters remains visible, a poignant reminder of their struggle and their demand for justice. One can still see the phrase, "We hold the rock," a powerful testament to their resilience and determination. The occupation's impact on Native American rights and the broader civil rights movement cannot be understated. It remains a significant part of Alcatraz's layered history, a symbol of defiance and a fight for justice. The Native American occupation adds yet another layer to the complex history of Alcatraz. Ready for a walk? Let's hit the Agave Trail and check out the island's wildlife. The Agave Trail, named for the agave plants that line its path, winds its way around the southern edge of Alcatraz Island. This trail offers a unique blend of natural beauty and historical intrigue, as it was once used by the island's inhabitants for transportation and leisure. As you traverse the trail, you'll be met with a fascinating array of wildlife. Alcatraz Island is home to a surprising variety of creatures, despite its past as a maximum security prison. From the smallest insects to the largest birds, each species has found a way to thrive in this unique environment. One of the most notable inhabitants of the island are the seabird colonies. Perched high above the bay on the cliffs of Alcatraz, these birds offer an incredible spectacle, especially during nesting season. From the common gull to the elegant snowy egret, each species adds a different note to the island's symphony of life. But it's not just the birds that are noteworthy. Keep your eyes peeled, and you might spot a variety of mammals, insects, and reptiles, and you might catch sight of the elusive island night lizard, basking in the sun or scurrying between rocks. Or perhaps you'll see one of the many bees and butterflies that frequent the island's flowering plants, adding a dash of color to the landscape. And let's not forget about the plants themselves. The Agave Trail is named for the agave plants that line its path. These succulents, with their large spiky leaves, are a sight to behold. They not only add to the island's beauty, but also serve as a reminder of Alcatraz's unique ecosystem. The trail provides a wonderful opportunity to observe, learn about, and appreciate the diversity of life that calls Alcatraz home. It's a journey that offers a stark contrast to the island's past, a testament to the resilience of nature and the power of renewal. The Agave Trail and the island's wildlife offer a wonderful opportunity to connect with nature in the midst of history. Finally, don't forget to visit the rock exhibit. This captivating display is a treasure trove of Alcatraz's rich history, showcasing artifacts, photographs, and documents that tell the story of the island's past. From its earliest days as a military fortification to its time as a notorious federal penitentiary, the rock exhibit paints a vivid picture of life on Alcatraz. The exhibit is a testament to the educational value of Alcatraz, offering visitors a chance to delve deeper into the island's history. Each item on display is a piece of the Alcatraz puzzle, giving us a glimpse into the lives of the people who lived and worked here. But it's not just about the past. The rock exhibit also highlights the island's present-day status as a wildlife sanctuary and a site of historical significance. It's a must-visit for anyone interested in history, nature, or the fascinating story of Alcatraz Island. The rock exhibit provides a comprehensive look at Alcatraz's past and is the perfect way to wrap up your visit. Well, there you have it, the top 10 things to do on Alcatraz Island. From visiting the iconic cell house and partaking in the spine-tingling night tour, to exploring the vibrant gardens and appreciating the historic lighthouse, We've tread the Agave Trail, seen remnants of the Native American occupation, and even taken time to enjoy the wildlife. Lastly, the rock exhibit, a must-see. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Alcatraz Island. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel guides. Safe travels!